I guess the one thing about being isolated on your boat is you get a lot of those boat projects done that you've been wanting to do for, I don't know, the last year and a half. So this is the project that we are going to be working on, and I've been tasked with sanding our steps because, as you can see, they're a little iffy. Can't put a lot of pressure on them. So we're going to beef these guys up. I'm going to take you along with us. The camera ran out of battery while I was sanding, and I was too dusty to come up and change out the battery. But I wanted to show you the final product after a couple hours of sanding yesterday. Voila! Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. And next, it's gonna be Ryan's turn. He's going to be doing the epoxy work, as that's his department, not mine. So you'll see that in a couple days.